Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. We are going to clear up a common question how to use chimes with Zelle. Okay, in this tutorial, we see linked chime to Zelle with a debit card. For if someone of your friends and family like to use Zelle to send and receive money, if it may make sense to link your chime card to Zelle. To do this, first download the Zelle app. Install it from the App Store or Google Play. Then create a Zelle account. Follow the on-screen prompts where Zelle will ask you for financial institution name. Although Chime will not in the Zelle apps, you will still tap in Chime. And third one is search for your bank. When asked for your bank, type Chime. It won't be appear on your source. Don't see your bank. Step number 4, add your Chimes debit card. Enter your Chimes Visa debit card number and verify your details. Once you verify your identity, you can send and receive money from friends and family who use Zelle. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.